guys, this is Kai from Kai the Builder, and today I'm gonna show you how I did the DIY runner stand for my RG Freedom Gundam. Alright, so guys, I have a confession to make. I do not have a proper 1/144 scale stand thing, and I really wanted to do a photo shoot with my RG Freedom, so I looked up on YouTube, and the first video I saw was from Mecha Guy Katsu. So let's get started. To make a DIY runner stand, we are going to need runner, your trusty cutter, and a lighter, and also super glue. Alright, so we're gonna get this large runner. I got this one from an MG kit, so that we have this long end right here, and that will be the one to hold the Gundam, and the other side will be our base. Some runners, there are some plastic sticking out, so you want to decide which one should be the base and which one should be the one facing upward. So we're gonna cut these parts here to make our stand. Let's get cutting. When cutting the runners, be careful because there is going to be a lot of flying parts. And if you want, just clean up the stand a bit more just to make it look like a stand. Now we have our stand, let's work on the base. The extra plastic sticking out, we're gonna cut that out so it will be much smoother. And at this point, it's up to you if you want to cut out the other nubs around. And that's what I did, just to make it a bit more neater. Alright, so we have our stand. Next, we are going to bend it. So this is the hardest part because it is a make or break. That's what happened. Let's do this again. So I got myself another pair of runners and I cut out the extra plastic that we don't need so we can clear up the stand. And there you go. So we take our lighter and we're just gonna heat the bottom part of the plastic so that it can bend. You'll need to do this more than once so that you won't break your stand. And slow and steady wins the race here, guys, alright? And let's test it out with this. Doesn't hold on, alright. We need to adjust a bit more. Take this little piece from the runner and we're going to add it on top of the stand. And yeah, we're gonna super glue that and let it dry. Now it's time to test it out again. And our Gundam is secured on. Now the stand is super simple, okay? So don't really think that it can do some extra dynamic pose. Maybe if I did an extra few adjustments, then yeah, it would have done its job. But for me, it did its job just as fine. I was able to pose it the way I wanted to pose, so I'm pretty happy with what I was able to do. So I hope you guys liked this video, and I hope you guys did learn something from this video or get any ideas from this. And if you did like it, please make sure to do a thumbs up for this video so I know if I should be making more of this kind of content. And if you want to see me struggle through this whole journey of being a gunpla builder, a noob gunpla builder, yeah, please subscribe to my channel. Put the notification. You're gonna see me struggle like 50% of the time, but at least it's gonna be fun. At least it's gonna be fun. At least we're gonna learn something, and at least we continue to get better at our craft. Alright? So until next time, guys, I'll see you later. Bye!